My name is Abi Harris and I'm the Chief Executive of Swansea Bay University Health Board. I'd like to speak to you following the publication today of the final report of the independent review into our maternity and neonatal services. The report has exposed a range of failings and experiences that are unacceptable, distressing, and which must be addressed. At the heart of the report is that we were not listening well enough to what women were telling us. We apologise unreservedly to women and their families who have suffered trauma and are living with life-changing consequences. We are grateful to them for contributing to the review and do not underestimate how difficult and traumatic it was for them to do so. The report published today is comprehensive and sets out 10 priority recommendations for us. We welcome and accept all of the findings and recommendations. While the report is a very hard read, it does recognise that we've already made some significant improvements, including better staffing levels, training compliance, and the reopening of the home birth service and the Neathport Talbot Birth Centre. We've also announced a new and unified single point of triage. This will ensure that all expectant mothers have access to appropriate and consistent advice, irrespective of where they have chosen to give birth. A core lesson from today's report is that as an organisation, we haven't listened enough to women and their families. They've been telling us about their experiences at the time and afterwards, and the hard truth is that we haven't listened or acted on a consistent enough basis. We'll spend the summer months listening to women and their families as we work with them and our clinicians to develop a new and long-term approach to engagement. We will also be developing a comprehensive improvement plan to address all of the independent review's findings and recommendations. Once again, we apologise unreservedly to every woman and family who suffered harm or had a negative experience of our services and thank them for coming forward. In accepting fully all of the independent review's recommendations, the board has given its commitment to improving the services we provide to the women and families of Swansea, Neathport Talbot and the surrounding areas. Thank you.